Hey editors, today I am gonna give you 5 premium watermarks which you can use to improve your edits, and you can get this watermark presets from my Discord server for free, which you can join through the link in this video description. So without no more talking, let's get into the preview.